Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to calculate cycle time in Jira. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Jira account and navigate to your project board. This board is your main dashboard where all tasks, issues, and progress details are displayed. Once you're on the right board, look at the top navigation bar and find the Reports section. Next, click on Reports, and you'll see a list of available reporting options. For this task, select Cycle Time Report. It helps you understand how long work items take to move through different workflow stages and highlights any areas that might need improvement. After opening the cycle time report, the next step is to select a date range. This determines the period you want to analyze. Once you've chosen the date range, you'll need to select the type you want to track. Typically, this could be from bugs to tasks or any other stages that match your workflow. After these selections, Jira will automatically display the average cycle time on the control chart. The chart presents this information as a visual trend, showing how your team's speed and consistency have changed over time. Since I haven't performed any actions on this board, my cycle time report isn't showing up here. However, if you've worked on enough tasks or made sufficient updates, then all your cycle time reports will be visible in this section. And that's it. So that is how you can calculate cycle time in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.